Portable shower caddy. Shower tote with handles is perfect for storing shampoo, conditioner, face wash, lotion, toothbrushes, razors, washcloths, and creams. Ideal for dorm communal bathrooms, master bathroom, under the sink, kids' bathroom, or extra storage throughout the house in your office, kitchen, laundry room, or pantry. Functional. Holes at bottom allow water to drain, perfect for communal bathrooms. Stylish. Black woven design is perfect for anyone who wants a functional and attractive shower caddy. Durable. Constructed of durable plastic for years of quality use. Ideal size. Shower tote measures 11.25 by 5.25 x 12, perfect for use throughout your home. The InterDesign Orbz Tote is great for extra storage and organization anywhere in the home. It includes built-in handles and holes at the bottom for water drainage, perfect for communal bathrooms. Top reviews from the United States. Super easy to carry. I put my shower shampoo and body wash and face wash and conditioner. I love this little basket because the handles are so easy to just slide your arm through to carry to the bathroom. It's nice and spacious inside the basket, and mine currently has extra room for more shower stuff. I kinda wish it was a little smaller, but overall this basket is great if you need something to hold your shower bath products.